Hello guys, welcome once again to our channel. It is a pleasure to share these educational videos with all of you. Today, we will be talking about how to do a 3-point turn, which is a very important technique you need to be able to master in order to pass your road test. We're going to do a 3-point turn and show you step by step how to do this maneuver for the purposes of your road test. Hopefully, these steps and tips that we will provide for you guys will make you feel much more prepared and confident for your upcoming road test. Best of luck and enjoy our video. When doing the road test, the examiners are going to indicate to you to perform a 3-point turn. They're going to get you to pull over to the right side of the road, and once you're stopped on the side of the road, you're going to do a mirror and shoulder check. Then you'll be expected to put your left signal on before proceeding. Most of the time, they're going to get you to do this on a dead-end street. If they do get you to do it on the street where there's traffic in two directions, you're going to have to make sure that there isn't any traffic coming from either direction. If you have a car approaching from the opposite direction, make sure you wait until the vehicle passed. Once you have the left signal on, you're basically letting other drivers know what you are about to do. So make sure you don't forget the left turn signal. It is very important. If you forget, the examiner will take a couple points off. Now, you're going to turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. Release the brakes slowly. Remember, this is another slow maneuver. No need to press the accelerator. When doing this, let the car move forward. Once you get near the curb on the other side, stop and put the vehicle in reverse. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. Do a 360-degree scan and make sure there isn't any traffic coming. Look over your right shoulder and start backing up slowly. Sometimes my students, when backing up, they don't know when to stop, and it's really hard to see what's behind you. One tip you can use is once you notice your left front wheel or left mirror, depending on the size of the car you're using, is over the center line, that's a good place to stop. Put the car in drive, turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, and move forward towards the direction you want to go, and start making way to the right lane. These are the steps you want to perform to do a 3-point. Very easy. Let's go ahead and review this one more time. I'm going to demonstrate how to do a 3-point turn from the beginning. Pull over to the right side of the road. When you're stopped on the side of the road, you're going to do a mirror and shoulder check. Then proceed with putting the left signal on. Once you have the left signal on, turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. Remember to turn the wheel all the way when doing the turns. This way, you take advantage of every single inch in case you're doing this on a narrow road or a big car. Now you want to release the brake slowly and let the car move forward. Once you get near the curb on the other side, stop and put the vehicle in reverse. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right, do a 360-degree scan, and make sure that there isn't any traffic coming. Look over your right shoulder and start. Once you noticed your left front wheel or left mirror is over the center line, you want to stop. Put the car in drive. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and move forward towards the direction you want to go. And start making way into the right lane. Make sure you stay on the right lane and you are done. Step-by-step procedure for doing a 3-point turn. It is one of the slow speed maneuvers that you will have to do for the purpose of a road test. Go out there and practice and get ready for that road test. Always try to find a quiet place that you can practice with no traffic and build up your confidence. Thank you once again for watching our videos. I hope you learned through this video the steps to follow and perform a successful 3-point turn. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to comment below. Also, let us know how you did on your road test exam. Share with us your experiences. We love to hear from all of you. If you like what you saw, please hit that like button and leave us a comment below. We would really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out, because we are going to be uploading more driving tutorial videos. This is Driving TV, and I'll see you